your independent Princess House consultant. And yes, you do hear that Christmas music. Are you getting ready to play Santa to those special ones in your life? Well, I'm here this afternoon to share with you a Christmas gift that everybody's gonna love. And we have it on special until midnight tonight at half the regular retail value. Now, many of you are probably wondering, what am I talking about? Well, you don't have to wait any longer. It is our beautiful electric kettle. Now, I don't know about you, but I want to tell you that I enjoy every afternoon having an afternoon delight, and I use my electric kettle for that afternoon delight. So let me tell you a little bit about our electric kettle. First of all, it quickly boils water so that you can enjoy whatever you might choose, whether it's coffee, tea, any kind of hot drink. And it's also good in the morning if you're making instant coffee, as I mentioned earlier, or maybe you're making oatmeal. So the electric kettle is a fabulous item to have in your home. The electric kettle has a powerful 1500 watt heating element. So it quickly boils up to 7 cups of water. Now, what's really nice are all the functions that we feature with this electric kettle. It has a dial setting in the back right here on the handle. What's nice about it is that you can keep your water nice and hot at whatever temperature you desire. It has a start and cancel mode. And that's what makes it so easy to keep your water either at a certain temperature or just to begin to heat it. And it heats anywhere from 105 degrees Fahrenheit up to 212 degrees. Now, isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. And I want to tell you about that. This is a borosilicate glass, and it also lifts from the base. When you lift it from the base, it no longer heats. But what's nice about lifting it from the base is when you get your water to that desired temperature, you can take this to your dining table or wherever you want to go, and your guests or you will have hot water, just as if you were reaching from your range top. Now, notice also that it has that beautiful blue LED that just illuminates that borosilicate glass. And as I mentioned earlier, there is a nice on and off feature. And what makes that so nice is that it protects your kettle, because if you have your kettle on and you boil out of water, it automatically shuts off. So how many of you burned up a kettle before because you didn't turn it off and it just kept boiling? You went outside and forgot you had it on, and when you came back, you had burned out your kettle. You don't have to worry about that because this auto shut off will prevent any kind of harm to your kettle. Now, also, I want to share that as most electronics, it does have a 1-year limited warranty. So I want to share with you what my afternoon delight is. I use our Vita Choice, what we call Plus Calm. I'm going to bring it up. And the Plus Calm is great to help calm your system and relax you. So in the afternoon, whether I've been on the phone all day or I've been running around doing things in my business or whatever's going on, and I just want to calm myself a little bit, this is what I do. This is my latte mug. Take a look at that gorgeous Princess Moderna latte mug. So I take my latte mug, open my calm, put just a scoop of calm into my latte mug, and reach over for my beautiful electric kettle, pour in my hot water. As the water pours in, of course, my calm is dissolving. And then I'll take a spoon and just make sure I have eliminated all the crystals. And I am ready for my afternoon delight. So when you pair up Plus Calm or any other regular purchase from our catalog line, you're able to get this electric kettle for just $99 plus tax and delivery. Today is the last day, so be sure to hit me up. By the way, this is Friday, October 23rd, 2020. Don't let your Christmas tree be empty of having this for that special someone or even you. So let's get into this holiday spirit and shop, shop, shop.